In this geometric construction, I will show you how to copy a line segment using the compass feature of GeoGebra. Just like in the actual construction using a real compass, pencil, and straight edge, we will use the point for a pencil. We will use the bounded line segment as if we are having a straight edge, and we will use a circle to draw a circle instead of just an arc. So we will use the compass feature of GeoGebra. In this construction, we are asked to copy a line segment. In this case, we have line segment AB. So the first thing that we need to do is to create a point. So we need 1 point. And then we use the compass in order to measure the length of line segment AB. Then we drag the circle so that the center will be at point C. The next step is to draw the line segment from the center to any point of the circle. So now we have line segment CD. Line segment CD should be congruent to line segment AB. Therefore, we say that line segment CD is a copy of line segment AB.